Hello. All right. So today we're going to take notes on light waves. All right. So there's a couple different ways that light waves come to us. Light waves come from the sun, and there's a few ways that they can get to us. Man, I'm struggling with my words today. Okay, so the first way, if you have a wave, that it can reflect. It can reflect. So we can have reflection. So please make sure you're writing these down and then putting them in your binder or your notebook is fine. So just make sure you are taking these notes so you can look back on them. Okay, so reflection is when light bounces back to us, okay? So if you have a mirror, the light hits it and then bounces back, okay? If you have any kind of surface that you can see yourself in, that is the light bouncing back to us, okay? And also, there's another way to look at this, but let's see. I'm going to put so this is like the light. The light wave. My pens. I don't know why I'm going through pens so much this year. Okay. So the color black is actually the absence of color or reflected light. So like I'm wearing black pants right now, and the black pigment is not reflecting any light. Okay. It absorbs all of the visible light and no light is reflected back. So, hold on, me. Light is reflected back. White is actually not a color either, and white actually reflects all of the colors. So, so fuzzy. Oh, I don't have my light on. So all the light is reflected when white is present. Reflects all light in the visible spectrum. And remember, we talked about the visible spectrum as the rainbow. Okay. So yeah. But now colors, like if you have my purple pen, all of the other colors are being absorbed, but purple is reflecting back. Okay. And absorb means to, take in. Oh, is reflecting only purple, but absorbing all the other colors. Okay. All right. So just remember when you see the green grass that the light is bouncing off, and the green light is what is from the visible spectrum is what you're seeing, but all the other colors are being absorbed. Okay. So let's look at refraction. Refraction. Okay. This means that the light is bent. Okay. So a prism, which I do not have a prism with me. I need to get one. I might find a video for you so you can see the prism of the light, because I don't have one here. So white light. White light passes through a glass prism and it bends and changes direction. Okay. This is why we have rainbows. Another way that we can see refraction. I should have put, okay. It's upside down. It's hard to see, but you can see that the light is coming through my water bottle, and you see how it is bending the light. So you can see it comes down, and then, whoop, it's completely bent. Looks like my straw is right here, but it's actually, it's coming down right there, okay, because the light is bending it. Do you see that? All right, so this is a really good example of refraction. It's when you look at like the water, how it'll bend the light. Like if you go fishing, sometimes you can see in the water and it looks a little off. It's because the light is being bent. Okay. So if you have, maybe you got a cup, right? All right, and then there's my straw, but it bends. Okay, and then just two more words that I want to get down. Absorbed means to take in, and transmitted, which we will talk more about tomorrow, or transmission, means to go through. Absorbed would be like your shirt, if you were like, or my black pants. So I can feel the light from my window. The sunlight is getting absorbed into my black pants, because black will absorb all of the light. And that's why if you're doing something outside in the summer, you want to wear a light colored shirt opposed to black shirts, because they will make you hotter. And then also transmitted would be like, I'm upside down, but my glass window, see how it is letting the sun in? That is transmitted. Okay. The sun, the light is being transmitted through the mirror. Okay. Not mirror, but through the glass. Let's see, I can draw. So here's my glass, and then the sun is outside, shining bright. Okay, and it just goes through. All right. Oh, well, you can't see it though. My yellow marker. All right. That is transmitted. It just goes right through. And then absorbed would be like, it just goes in. Okay. We will continue to talk about this. Let me know if you have any questions. Goodbye.